What if you woke up tomorrow and the moon was gone? No warning, no explanation, just vanished. It sounds like a sci-fi twist, but the consequences would be very real and absolutely catastrophic. From tides to time, animals to entire civilizations. Let's explore what would happen if Earth suddenly lost its lunar companion. The moon is more than just a pretty sight in the night sky. It's a cosmic stabilizer, a guardian of Earth's balance. First, it helps regulate our planet's axial tilt. That's the angle that keeps seasons relatively stable. Without the moon's gravitational pull, Earth's tilt could wobble like a spinning top, swinging from 10 to 85 degrees over millions of years. That means wild climate swings, from ice ages to tropical heat waves, with no predictable pattern. And let's not forget the tides. The moon pulls on Earth's oceans, creating the high and low tides we see every day. Take the moon away, and the tide would shrink drastically, by over 70%. Coastal ecosystems collapsed, marine life disoriented and dying, fishing industries gone. Now, let's talk about the animals. Many species, from sea turtles to birds, rely on the moon's light and cycle for reproduction, migration, and feeding. Without it, total chaos. Some species would fail to reproduce. Others might migrate at the wrong time, leading to starvation or extinction. Even human sleep cycles could be affected. Recent studies show our sleep pattern syncs subtly with the lunar cycle, and a sudden absence could mess with our circadian rhythms. And we haven't even touched on the calendar. Many ancient and modern cultures base time keeping on the moon's phases. Take it away, and thousands of years of cultural heritage vanish overnight. Here's something wild. Without the moon, Earth would spin faster. Right now, the moon's gravity is slowing down our planet's rotation, very gradually. No moon? That break is gone. Earth could spin so fast that days would shorten from 24 hours to just 6 to 12 hours over millions of years. That means stronger winds, more intense storms, and possibly the kind of atmospheric chaos that could make Earth far less hospitable for life. Okay, so the moon disappears. What would the sky look like? Nights would be much darker. The moon reflects sunlight, making it the second brightest object in the sky. Its absence would leave a pitch-black void, even on cloudless nights. For astronomers, this is a dream, less light pollution. But for everyone else, it's a nightmare. Ancient navigation techniques, dependent on moon phases, would be useless. Nighttime visibility would drop, increasing risks for both wildlife and humans. And what about lunar eclipses? Gone. Forever. In the long term, Earth could become unstable, literally. The moon's gravitational pull helps balance tectonic activity and Earth's tilt. Remove that influence, and Earth's axial wobble could go out of control. Imagine the North Pole pointing toward the sun for half the year. Entire continents would freeze or burn, depending on their tilt. And the big one, without the moon's stabilizing force, some scientists believe life on Earth may not have even evolved in the first place. The moon may have protected us from asteroids or helped regulate climate over billions of years. So while Earth might survive without the moon, we, and most of what we know, probably wouldn't. So what if the moon disappeared tomorrow? We'd see our oceans collapse, ecosystems fail, weather intensify, and Earth itself destabilize over time. In short, it'd be a slow-motion apocalypse wrapped in darkness. The moon may feel distant, but it's deeply connected to every drop of water, every beat of nature, and every rhythm of life here on Earth. So next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate that glowing, silent guardian, because without it, we wouldn't be here.